I'm Thomas Smith, and let's take a look at how to use the power doors on the Chrysler Pacifica Minivan. So first you want to make sure that the doors are unlocked. If you have the key fob in your pocket, you can press the button on here if you're close enough and lock and unlock the door. This is unlocked, so we're just going to give it a pull on the handle out. We're not going to try to move it at all. We're just literally, I'll show you with one finger, pull this to open the door. And then just let it do its thing. And it's pretty quick. It's going to go ahead and bring that door into position. And then if we want to close this again, there's two different ways that we can do it from the car itself here. There's also an ability to close and open from the front seat, but I'm imagining you're in the back here, you're trying to close it to put your kid in. There's a handle here. We can go ahead and give that a pull. Again, don't like grab it and pull it along, just give it a quick pull and let the motor do the rest. Or, let's open this up again, I can show you. There's also a button on the inside. It's a little hard to see when you first, get into the car. It's not so obvious. If you press that button, that's going to go ahead and close that door too. And this works on both sides of the car. Nice and fast, good powerful motor. I think because mine is the hybrid, it does have a pretty powerful battery in the car, obviously. So it's got quite a powerful door, and it's nice and quick. Open and close those doors there. The other way I would say, if you're not in the car, again, that's, you can use the button in the front seat, but you can also use your key fob to do this too. We're just gonna press this 2 times, and that's gonna do that remotely. So again, lots of options for opening and closing these side doors on the Chrysler Pacifica.